video, we are going to make the easiest 2-ingredient cold foam, and that's including the flavor that you want to add to it, you'll ever make. So let's get started. So we're going to make a toasted marshmallow cold brew. So that's going to be toasted marshmallow cold foam over cold brew. I'm not going to make the cold brew because I just don't have time for that right now. We're going to use Stok though. This is the one that I'm going to use. They have 2 different bottles, maybe 3, but this one is unsweetened, so it doesn't have any additional sugar, nothing else. Literally just cold brew. This one, I like the purple one too. It's a lot bolder than this one, so if this one doesn't cut it for you, you might like the bolder one, the purple. I think it's in a purple box. I'll put a picture right here. But we're going to do this one today, and then for the cold brew, we're using Planet Oats Barista Lovers. It froths so beautifully. I worked with them on Instagram. This is not sponsored. They don't even know I'm making this video. But I just wanted to share with you guys because there was somebody that commented on one of my shorts that I posted recently. And they were like, okay, that cold foam looks dreamy. What are your ratios? And it's literally just this and whatever flavor you want to add. In that case, it was still a toasted marshmallow because this syrup, it's so good. I think it has to be by far the best syrup I've used. Let me show you. This one right here, I just had to rinse it because it was getting a little messy. But this one is by Amoretti, their toasted marshmallow premium syrup. They sent this to me. This was gifted. They don't know I'm making this video. It's not sponsored, but I wanted to share it with you guys because this is probably the tastiest toasted marshmallow syrup that I have ever tried. I've tried Monin's, I've tried Tarani's, and nothing cuts it. I feel like they just don't taste like it should. This one tastes so good. Here's a close-up of the bottle. And with them, a lot of their syrups are thick. This one's a premium. They also have a gourmet. I think the gourmet ones are like even thicker, kind of like a sauce consistency. But their syrups themselves are almost gel-like. I don't know why or how, but the flavor is spot on. So we're gonna use this plus the milk over that delicious cold brew, and you guys are gonna have the best toasted marshmallow cold foam cold brew. Moment of truth. Here it is. It is so frothy. Guys, you guys have to try this. It's so good. What I like about cold brews, I like that they're not that sweet. The sugar is essentially on the top. And since it's on top, I feel like you get that instant rush of sweetness, which is nice, but then it's backed up by that like nice sugar-free, bitter coffee. So it's like a nice mix. I like it. It's so good. Let me know if you guys do try it. Do you guys like it? And you guys can mix and match whatever flavor you want. You could even line your cup with white chocolate sauce or something else, you know, like in that consistency. If you want something sweeter, again, it doesn't have to be 1 tablespoon. You can always add 1, 2, 3, whatever you're comfortable with as far as sweetness. You can do. The milk froths beautifully. You guys saw it. As soon as the frother touches it, it just like fluffs up. It's so good. So yes, let me know if you guys try this and if it works for you. The frother is nothing more than a $10 frother that you guys can get on Amazon. I'll link it on my Amazon storefront and in the description box as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!